Hey friends, welcome to my channel Started Friend. Today I'm going to talk about this cryptocurrency, that is ZEREBRO coin. In this video I'll be talking about latest technical analysis. So let's begin. This video is for educational purpose only, no financial advice. Do your research before you take up any decision. So you can see the current price is $0.02980. It is up by 29%. Rank is around 592 position. Around 38k users are following this cryptocurrency. Market cap is $29.79 million and the volume in 24 hours is $38.54 million. It is up by 205%. So you can see that increase in volume in 24 hours. So now we'll go to the chart and see how the candles are moving. You can see that I'm in the monthly chart. So let us draw the trend lines. So you can see this is the support trend line. Okay. And you can see this is the support and this is the resistance. Okay. So within this channel pattern only the candles are moving. Okay, and if you go to the weekly chart, you can see that previously the candles were falling from this resistance level. Okay, and you can see that it took support here, and then you can see the candle started moving in an upward direction towards this resistance level. So if you draw the trend line, you can see this is the support trend line and this is the resistance trend line. So within this channel pattern only the candles were moving. So previously you can see after fall the candles went up, fall happened, again went up. Now candles are falling towards the support level. Okay, so you can see that already the candles have gone up to the resistance level and now the fall is taking place. So if you go to the daily chart also, you can see very clearly how these candles are moving. So this is the like you can see this is the support trend line for the uptrend, and now you can see the downtrend has started. So this is the support trend line. Okay, and you can see that after the fall the candles have started moving in a upward direction. So candles may move to this resistance level. Okay, so it may move to the resistance level and then fall may take place. Again it may go up, fall. So like this it may move in this channel pattern. Okay, you can see that very clearly, and if there is a breakout happens then candles may move to this resistance level and then fall may take place. So like this it may continue in this channel pattern, and in case if there is a breakout happens then candles may move to this resistance level. Okay, so you can see this is the resistance here, that is around 0.04954 and the support is around 0.013671. okay, so within this channel pattern only the candles may move. Okay, after the breakout it may move to the resistance level and then fall may take place. So like this it may move. If the breakout happens it may move to the next resistance level. Okay, so now we'll talk about another cryptocurrency, that is Radium coin or Ray coin, and you can see the current price is $1.03. It is up by 3%. Rank is around 138 position. Around 224k users are following this cryptocurrency. Market cap is $277 million and the volume in 24 hours is $32.82 million. It is down by 4%. So now we'll go to the chart and see how the candles are moving. So you can see that I'm in the monthly chart. So let me draw the trend line. You can see this is the resistance trend line. Okay, so you can see that very clearly, and this is the support trend line. Okay, so within this channel pattern only the candles are moving. So previously you can see candles were falling from resistance, so then it came down to the support. Okay, so you can see that continuously the candles were falling. After the breakout you can see candles have started moving in a upward direction. So you can see this is the resistance trend line. Okay, and this is the support trend line. So within this channel pattern only the candles were moving up, and now you can see the breakout has happened. So candles may fall in this channel pattern. So this is the support and this is the resistance. Okay, so already the breakout has happened. So candles may come down to support, and then after the breakout it may go up, fall. Okay, and then after the breakout it may go up, fall, and then it may move to this resistance level. So like this it may fall in this channel pattern. After the breakout it may go to the resistance level. So the resistance is around 0.2.86 and the support here is 0.0735. so continuously the candles will fall in this downtrend channel pattern. After the breakout it may move to this resistance level and then fall may take place. Okay, so like this it may move in this channel pattern. In case if it gives a breakout it may start moving in a upward direction. So previously also you can see candles were moving in upward direction. It went to the resistance and then continuously the fall is happening. Okay, so you can see that very clearly how these candles are moving. So By drawing trend lines, you know support resistance levels, as well as you know how the candles are moving and how the candles will move in future. Also you can find out that easily. Okay, so that's all for now. I hope you like this video. Please like, share, subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.